In this video, we will see a different method of solving the edges. So this method is called free slicing method. So in this method, you don't need to bring all the same edge pieces on the middle layers and then match them. You can directly match an edge piece from the top layer. So see, this is a red and yellow piece. This is another red and yellow piece. So I want to bring this together with this piece. So for this, what we will do, we will freely slice these layers like this. So all the three horizontal layers, I have moved them away. So all the three are not at the right place. So they are together right now, but I have brought them away. Now we will see this piece, which I wanted to bring it on the right side. So either you can do R, U prime and R prime, and then see if it is facing the same direction or not. See, they are not facing the same direction. So either you can use F, R prime, F prime, R. Now match all the centers, and then you will see these two pieces are together. So once these two pieces are solved, we will look for the third piece. Third piece is also on the top. Now this piece should come here. So I will slice this part only because I want this piece here. And I will do F, R prime, F prime and R. And now it has become a pair. I can take it on top, match the centers again. So this is how you can use the slicing method.